Hey, what's up you guys, it's Curly by Nature, and if you haven't checked out my last video yet, I will show you how I became a Sheabassador and give you my testimony. And here I'm actually using some of the products from my box, so stay tuned. If you guys follow me on Instagram, you know that the products that will be used in this video were picked by you guys, so stay tuned. I'm gonna be honest, the shampoo got 50-50, so me and Bae picked Hydrate and Repair shampoo, the Manuka honey yogurt, and I have to say it smells amazing and my scalp definitely felt really clean and moisturized. Didn't dry me out nearly as much as some of the other shampoos I've used. So this conditioner, the Daily Hydration Conditioner, got 70% on the poll. So you guys won this one and I actually loved it. It was really moisturizing, and y'all know I go ham with conditioner. I use a lot. Okay, I got a lot of hair, but it really helped to smooth out, like look at this guys, look at this. Like look at it smoothing out my curls. Like I could run my fingers through it. Like girl. My finished results literally just after washing and conditioning my hair. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video and I hope you come back next time. Bye.